YouTube, this is me, Brianna Shanice, and today I'll be giving you guys a makeup look of a soft glam beat. So if you want to know more, stay tuned for the rest of this video. I've already applied my Wet n Wild primer, and I've already setted my brows so I can have that perfect brow effect. So now I'm just blending my brows out with a spoolie. Now I'm using the e.l.f. brow gel. And I'm applying concealer. I'll be having an eyebrow tutorial later on. So comment down below if you're wanting an eyebrow tutorial. Next, I'll be blending out the concealer so my makeup will look polished, my brows will look polished, and everything will blend seamlessly. Next, I'll be going in with the Decadence palette, which is a drugstore palette that is in Target's. I will be taking the shades and using it to create a nice blended eyeshadow. First, I'm starting off with a light color, and it is my transition shade, so the cut crease could gradiently go from dark to light. Now I am using a shade from a Profusion palette, and it is called Color Story. Right now I'm focusing on getting those eyeshadows to blend together. Next, I'll be taking a darker shade out of the Color Story palette, and I'll be using it to deepen that crease. Now I'm using a Stay Matte concealer that is by Rimmel London, and I'll be putting it on my eyelids just to give my eyeshadow a base and give the cut crease a much more softer blended effect. So now I'm going in with a much more lighter shade, and I'm just going to be using it to blend my cut crease. Now I'm applying another brown dark shade just to give the eyeshadow a more blended effect and gradiently go from light to dark, just to give the eyeshadow a pop. Now I am applying this liquid eyeliner slash lash glue. It's a liquid eyeliner and lash glue all in one, and I got it from the beauty supply store, and when I tell you, it's hard to wipe this off and your lashes is not going nowhere. Now I'm applying my favorite eyelashes, and I bought them from the beauty supply store, and these are by i.ENVY. I'm just going to be applying them on my lash. I'm just using my mascara just to blend out my real eyelash. Next, I'll be wearing my favorite foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade 355 in my color Coconut, and I'll just be applying it on my lid. I'm just going to take my Real Techniques blending brush and blend throughout my face. Now I am blending my face with the Beauty Blender sponge. So now I'll be using these two concealers, and I'm using the Real Deal concealer and a concealer by Rimmel London. Now I'm just going to be blending underneath my eyes and blending that concealer out just to give that airbrush effect and just to brighten underneath my eyes. So now I'll be using the CoverGirl's press powder, and I'll just be using this to set underneath my eyes so that my under eye will not crease and it will last all day. So now I'm using the AIRSPUN setting powder, and I'll just be applying it underneath my eyes, and this is in the shade Suntan. And this is just to set my concealer in place and make sure it won't crease
and make sure my makeup will last all day. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in a more like darker shade, just to set my foundation in place as well, and just to give my skin back its warmth. So now I'm just going to be using the True Complexion Contour Palette by Radiance. Now I'm using a darker shade from the Profusion palette once again, and I'm just going to be using it underneath my eyes. And I'll just be blending it in. So now I'm just going to go back in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette just to contour my nose. I'm going to be using a highlighter that I've bought from Walmart, and it was only for 97 cents, and it's giving me glow. Don't sleep on Walmart. I'll be applying white eyeliner on the bottom of my eye, just to give my eyes a brighter effect and just make my eyes appear more wider. Next, I'm going to be applying mascara on my bottom lash. Now I'm just going to line my lips with an L.A.COLORS lip liner, and I'm just going to be outlining my natural lip shape. Now I'm applying this new Peak lip gloss by Rimmel London, and it's called Stay Glossy, and I'm just going to be applying it onto my lips. Now I'm taking out my lips, and I am finally done with this makeup look. And now this is the finished product of my makeup look. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll be back with more videos on makeup looks. Suggest more videos on YouTube down below in the comments. All the information about my makeup, about eyeshadow, like this look, thumbs up. Oh, girl. Like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.